to put my phone in my pocket, so we're not doing that again.
No phones out this time.
Yeah. We're back in the Tesla.
Back in the Tesla.
Look, Scotty, Kool-Aid Hippie.
Yes.
Tether 6'4".
I'm blinged out today.
And my guy.
Bling, bling, wow.
So,
wow.
So last time we were in the Tesla 3. This time we're in the Tesla Y. Tell him why. The Yesla Y.
The Yesla.
No, we borrowed this from a friend, and he was kind enough to let us use it. So
shout out Clint.
Thank you, Clint. But the Y is like the SUV. The 3 is like the 4-door sedan, and my experience, the Y is much better for a group of people like what we're doing right now.
Yes, sir.
Big body, big body. So you know how we're gonna get down. We're going right to the Trax on Tesla, which is, once again, it's the DAW, it's the DAW on Tesla. It comes with Tesla. You don't have to download it or anything like that.
Can you download apps on this one?
I'm pretty sure you can too.
We haven't figured it out.
We haven't figured that out yet.
We're gonna get there.
But we're gonna get there. That's the next time.
Yeah.
That's the next time.
Next time we play some games.
So my question for you guys is, what are y'all feeling? What do you feel like doing?
Well, you know, for real.
Yo, listen, we about to be snowed in tomorrow. We might as well make some chill or some icy.
I was gonna say to kick it off for real, like still could do the icy, but remember I found all those drum presets.
Yes.
Oh.
Like,
yes.
They're on here.
Yeah, go to and then go all the way down.
All the way down.
And just with those
percussion instruments.
Go back up.
This here.
Yeah,
oh yeah.
Beat patterns.
Yeah.
Wow.
Listen to the techno one. That was crazy last time.
Let's go. All right. So
we do.
Actually, wait. Go back up.
That
said, wait. Lounge chill.
Yeah.
All right.
Probably some ambient type. Play it.
So what BPM we want?
What was that, 140?
140?
145.
160, 145?
200.
We're doing 200, bro. No.
We make it hyper pop.
No.
We make it hyper pop.
We'll do 148.
Let's make it longer.
Yeah.
4?
Yeah, it's a 4, yeah.
Alright, go back. Oh, you gotta
go ahead.
I can't.
What?
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Okay, bet. Alright, cool.
Oops. I say change. Whoopsie. I say change that piano, whatever.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yo, wait.
So
you can do it down here, or am I tripping?
No.
Remember you was doing it and it changed the whole drum?
Yeah, but you might have to have a certain.
Oh. All right, so apparently that's a thing, which obviously we didn't know, but... hold on, it already did. It
didn't have a jump, bro.
Yeah, somehow they were like, this is what you guys want. We know what you want.
Now, we should add some bass. Yes.
I bet. Nah, you do it. Go ahead. It's crazy. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, listen, dude.
My bad. I start.
Who gives a right? Who cares? Part of my French. We're doing whatever the we want.
Facts. We in this one.
Part of his so, all right.
I love it.
You right there?
Yeah.
With the bubble gum going on. I love you, bro.
Look like Gorilla Zoe, you said?
Oh no. You mind if I put a melody on this shit real quick?
Please put a melody.
Hold on, I got you. I just need a horn. I need a horn. Oh, this is fire already. They got ocarina. Yeah, from what's the thing called? Legend of Zelda.
Breath of the Wild.
This is what I'm doing. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. That's it. Yeah, exactly. Yup. Yeah, exactly. What the pardon me. I keep cursing.
You good. It's the you gotta hit the cross.
The cross?
Yeah, you gotta use
oh my god.
Cross, yeah. Turn this one up.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's the trapped out Price is Right
exactly.
Almost.
Yeah, we almost there.
Almost.
Right there.
Alright, go ahead. then we're just gonna copy and paste. Yeah, that's another joint we need. Copy and paste. Elon.
Yeah, we do need a copy and paste button. We need a copy and paste button, an undo button.
Definitely the undo.
Yeah, that's a huge downfall to any of this is that you can't do any of that.
And we need a way to record on this, John. I don't want to
Yeah.
take this on the computer and, you know what I mean? We gotta do all that and bring it back. Please, give us something, some more outlets or something to plug in on this, John, and play with the pads. And give us auto-tune.
And that too.
If this joint got auto tune, I would just make this in here.
Yeah, I'm making all hyper pop in this, John.
Exactly.
So I don't even need her. I just wanna.
Yep.
What you want to do?
Yes, sir. He wants to do all
I
that.
want to know what he was.
Nothing. About the Brodies.
Right? Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Super Saiyan feeling like I'm Brody.
Pass it to my big Brody.
Say something tough.
Tef, what's it missing?
What's it missing, bro? It's definitely missing something.
It needs a melody, and it
It needs a melody. There we go.
It needs a melody, and
It needs more melody?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It needs something else, bro.
Like a counter melody to that.
Mhm.
But I mean, maybe a pad, if anything, if it's not a melody, like something that some type of John that'll make it.
No, the soundtrack.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Wait, that sounded
That John,
that
this
sounded
sound
crazy.
off rip.
Alright.
Wait, it sounds something new. Delete all that.
Yeah, hold on. We're gonna get gooned up again in a second. Hold on.
Gooned up. Got the glick off.
What else?
Just a stick up. Don't get hit up. Matter of fact, your girl gonna get hit up.
Right. What else?
Cause guess what? We
What?
in the Tesla.
That's right.
Pulled up all black. Why with the Tesla? She like, damn, we just pulled a Tesla. I gotta always run it. Yo, you gotta ride the Tesla every time. Where the goons at? Yeah. 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 Where the goons at? Yeah.
This shit is fire, bro. I like this song. I fuck with this shit. That's what I'm saying. It just reminds me of like some cold shit. Exactly. That's what. Yeah. Exactly. Go crazy. Yes. Your face, bro. I just watched that, dude. I just watched that happen in real time, bro. Real rap. His face, he was like, as soon as we dropped the shit, he was like, I just saw the nostalgia. He was like, oh wow, yeah. He started. And we're in the Tesla Y. Scotty Cooley.
Cooley.
My guy LaFlame in the back.
LaFlame in the
Big
busy.
6'4" in the back.
You already know.
Yes,
Where,
sir.
boy?
Tesla
Don't
Trax
forget-
Tuesday.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like,
to the
subscribe,
channel.
comment. Tell us what you want to hear.
Let us know.
Yeah,
Let us know
what
anything.
you want. Anything.
Yeah.
I mean, even if it's like a more tutorial approach or whatever, it doesn't matter.
Ask questions.
You know? Anything.
Yo,
We're doing anything.
ask us questions.
Yeah.
Look,
Ask
it's-
about me. Ask about him. Ask about them. You
Ask
feel
about
me?
the Tesla.
Ask about the
about the
Tesla.
Tesla.
We got all these cameras here for y'all to.
All right. We out.